Hi everyone. With COVID-19, we're all trying to save money, and I've got a great way of using some sausages that are left over after a barbecue. Now, simple ingredients. I've got a couple of plates, some sausages which we cooked yesterday that are cold, fresh herbs of course. Now this time it was Anzac Day a couple of weeks ago, so I've chosen rosemary of course. Okay, very simple method. Take the cold sausage. Now some people would eat this cold, but I'm going to show you something really special. Put it on a plate. Now, you could use microwave, we're going to microwave it, so you could use some cling wrap to cover it. Unfortunately, the cling wrap usually gets destroyed by this cooking process, so you're just going to have to clean your microwave afterwards. Take the sausage, put it in the microwave. Nice and sensitive. Okay, how do we do this? So I've put the sausage in the microwave, and then you look for the highest setting possible. So I'm going to, this microwave, all you do is put in the time. I'm going to put it on for 15 minutes on high. Okay, so just a couple of tips during the cooking process. You may notice some hissing sounds, some popping, perhaps even a little burst into flames. Just ignore it. It's quite normal, part of the normal cooking process. Another important tip is do not open the microwave, no matter what is going on inside it during the period, because it will ruin this recipe. Okay, 8 minutes in, we're just about halfway. And I wish there was such a thing as smell-o-vision, because you would be able to sense the incredible aroma of sausage that is filling the house. You also probably can't see it, but there on the plate is a little pool of sausagey essence that has just oozed out all over the plate. Don't worry, we're not going to waste that, but that's a recipe for another time. Okay, just over 2 minutes to go. I'm getting ready to take it out, but of course, like all of these things, we need our safety equipment. Safety glasses. I've got some tongs and something to make sure that I don't burn my hands. Okay, 46 seconds to go. I can see a bit of smoke coming out. I've got the extinguisher just in case. 1, 0. Okay guys, the big moment has arrived. And look at that. Sensational. Okay, we bring it out. As I said before, don't worry about these juices. We're going to use them later, but on another recipe, so keep your eye out for that. Now, what we want to do is transfer it to our beautiful serving plate, because we're going to plate up now, ready to eat. Here it is. Now, you'll notice that it's quite crispy. I'm going to garnish it with the special Anzac Day rosemary, of course. But you'll notice that just in case you're not sure that if it's right or not, I've got an actual stick here to compare. And you'll see quite similar, and you'll notice that if you actually chew on the stick, it will have a similar texture to the sausage. And so there you have it, sausage jerky. Sensational. Beautiful.